I wish I knew this AI in college. Would have saved hundreds of hours. I'll show you why. Back in college, I'd stay up until 3 a.m. making study guides, manually typing everything, missing sleep, missing parties, stressing constantly. But this AI does it all automatically. Upload your lecture recording. It creates summaries, flashcards, practice questions. Everything I did manually. Here's how it works. Upload your lecture file. Click Generate. Wait 2 minutes. You get complete study materials ready to use. The flashcards are my favorite. AI pulls key terms automatically. Includes definitions. You can export to Quizlet or Anki instantly. I tested this on my old college lectures. Biology, psychology, economics would have saved me 20 hours per semester minimum. Look, you still have to study. This doesn't replace learning, but it eliminates hours of busy work. More time for actual understanding. Free plan gives you 200 minutes monthly. That's 6 to 8 lectures. Premium unlocks unlimited uploads and advanced features. Links in the description. Try it on one old lecture. Comment if you wish you had this earlier.